An idea that we want to become accustomed to is the idea of slope. It's a rate of change. How quickly is a line changing over a given period of time? Well, to start to introduce this topic, let's have 2 points, -3, -1, and then -2 and 4. I graphed them on this rectangular coordinate system here. So I have a point down here, -3, -1, and up there -2 and 4. And we want to determine how quickly is that line rising or how quickly is that line decreasing. So basically what we're asking ourselves is, what's its change in its height versus its change in its run? Or the words that we use is change in its rise over the change of its run. And some of the terminology you might see sometimes is change in its y value over the change in its x value. Slope is usually designated by the letter m. And that change in the y means I want to take one y value, subtract it from another y value. So we usually use a designation of y with a subscript 2 and a subscript 1 just to designate two different y's. And likewise, this change in its x values. What we want to do then is look at my 2 points, and just to help us start out, let's designate one of them as my first set of points and one of them as my second set of points. So let's call this one my first set. So this is my x1 value and my y1 value, and this is my second set of points, which is an x value, but it's going to be my second x value and a y value. So if I can make a designation for those points, I can look at my definition of a slope and plug in, where's my y2 value? It's a 4. My y1 value is a -1. My x2 value is a -2. And my x1 value is a -3. I can add those together. 4 minus a -1 is a 5. And a -2, take away a 3. Take away a -3, -2, take away -2, take away a -3 is a 1. So I have a slope of 5/1, or a rise. For every 1 unit of run, I rise up 5. So these 2 points, the slope of a line that goes to those 2 points is said to have a slope of 5.